All right, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to the full stack front end development I told you about. If you not watched the previous video, you can. I'll drop the link down in the description so you can click and go and watch how I explain the process of becoming a full stack front end engineer. So today I'll be talking about how you can get as your UI design, and from there you start working with it and bringing out all your assets, exporting them for your design so that you can be able to like have icons, images, and any other things they use in that design. So I will show you through the process. I'll start with XD. Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a UI UX tool created by Adobe. So the other one of XD. So this is like a basic design here. So I'll be showing you how um, I don't know if probably sometimes you might end up meeting engineers, UI UX engineers that are like maybe beginners, and sharing assets is like kind of a different ball game where they have situation whereby they are sharing the design with you, but the asset is very difficult for you to like export the assets from the design. So I'll like show you maybe probably if the person do not have knowledge of exporting the design that will contain all the downloadable assets. So when you for the UI UX guys, so after they are done designing whatever they want to design, they've done their prototyping. Prototyping is how you can like use the app like a real-time application, like to help you to like handle all those click events and stuff like that. So let me just show you a quick example. Like this app, I don't know if they prototype it, but let me just play it and see. So play it here, right? So that's for you to play your prototyping. You can just at the top right corner you see a play button there. You can just click it. Then from here you can like okay, this guy is clickable. So when you click get started, it takes you to like the next screen. So you get to see the animation flipping and how you can navigate through the screens, right? So and this if you click it, okay, it takes you to this card. So that's like the prototyping of this particular UI design. So I'll move it straight forward to sharing. All right, after they are done prototyping, so it's like the stage is like design, prototyping, then share. So share is where they send it to the developer for the developer to be able to like convert it to web application or website, depending on which you're working on. So the designer after doing that, okay, this one as you can see, we've already shared this particular design, but I'll just still show you it's still the same workflow it has here. So from the onset, if they've not shared it, at this point here, you will not see like a link for you to click and open. Right, to be like a create. So this button here, instead of update, to be like a create. So when you click it, it will now show you for you to like name the project. And this one is the development mode. So we have different kind of view. So depending on the kind of user you are, they can give you like a read-only view or a developer view. So currently we are on a developer view, but you can change it. So this is like a design and review view where you cannot actually export the content. You can just only drop comment and say, oh, maybe this part is not okay. Maybe the designer need to rework this part, or probably there's a input feed missed and stuff like that. So you can do that from this view. So if they share this kind of view for you, you cannot be able to export your assets. But it's always advisable for UI UX designer to share to developers. You have to share development mode, which is share your design or prototype with the developer. So the prototyping and everything will move to the exported design. So you select this mode, and you see, as you can see, it's telling you that downloadable assets. So this will enable all assets use the icons, the images used in this design to be downloadable. So from there, you can be able to like export it. Are you the developer that you want to convert it to web application or website? So after that, at this point, it's supposed to be like a create, but we've already created, so it's like update link. So after doing this, then you can now share with people. So you can copy the link and share it with anybody. So he's linking it and he's updating. So you see, he's updating public link. Right, we're done. So we're done. So you can now copy the link and give it to anybody to be able like view your design you get. So let me just copy this link here. Right. All right. So after that, you can now come to your browser and view the link. So you now have access to the design. All right. You see, this is how the design looks like. So it's already telling you that for you to be able to access your assets, so you should go to this So the spec mode, say click to get into the spec mode and toggle back to continue interaction with your prototype. So at this point in time, you can be able to like continue like perform all those click and it will take you to the pages and stuff like that. So, but for you to like download your assets, you have to come to this. So this will give you access to all the assets being used, right? See, this is color. This like the icon. You see, this one is a loader. Okay, it's loading. All right, then you can see the fonts used, and you see the style and the font color and the font size, right? You can see those, right? So that's that. This is for Adobe XD. So I'll be showing you how it works on Figma. So from there, we'll now move to learning how to use your browser to like see what your HTML content look for every website. So I'll move now to Figma.